Being overweight is a major issue with most of us today. The next few techniques that I'm going to show you are for weight loss. They're very effective. First, I'm going to show you Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is a very powerful breathing technique that not just helps you lose weight but also brings your entire system into a perfect balance. Kapal means the forehead. Bhati means shining. Kapalbhati, the shining forehead. I'll show you how it's done. We begin with breathing in. As we exhale, just pull your stomach in. Pull your navel in back towards the spine. And the exhalation is active. So you just throw out your breath. Don't worry about inhalation. The moment you relax your abdomen, breath will go in on its own. Kapalbhati can be done 60 to 70 times. After every 20 breaths, you can take a small break. Now I'm going to show you the Surya Namaskar, sun salutation. Sun salutation is a set of 12 postures done one after another. Sun salutation is one of the best cardio if practiced fast. If we practice sun salutation slow, it is a meditation in motion. So let me show you once how it is done. We begin with standing up straight, standing up tall. Balance the weight of your body on both your feet equally. Breathe in. Bring your hands in front of your chest, joined together in Namaste. Breathe in again. Take your hands up and back. Head placed between the biceps. Stretch up and go back a little. Exhale, move forward. Stretch forward as much as you can and then go down. You may hold your legs from wherever you can, like this, or if you can, you may place your hands down on the floor. Throw your right leg back, as far back as you can. Place your knee down and stretch up. Take the other leg back. Lift the body up, body in one straight line. Bring your knees down, move back a little. As you slide forward, bring your chest and chin down to the floor. Breathe in, move up, curl up your spine into cobra. Exhale, lift your body up on your hands and feet. If you can, bring your heels down to the floor. Press your chest back and down. Dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Bring your right foot forward. Walk it in between both your hands. Place the left leg down. Look up. Bring the other leg forward and bend forward. Hold your legs from wherever you can, wherever. Stretch forward, go up and back. Make sure your head doesn't fall back. Breathe in, come up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Repeat the same with the left leg. Right leg and left leg. Together it will make one round of Surya Namaskar. To begin with, you can do about 12 rounds of sun salutations every day. And slowly, as you get comfortable doing these asanas, you can increase it to as much as you want.